Hello there, and welcome back to Training with GlobalTix. In today's video, we're going over how to manage your product's calendar availability and capacity. First, in your account, you would have already set up the ticket. Now, to set up calendar capacity, please click on Manage Product and then click on Schedule. After that, at the top right corner of the page, you will see the word New Schedule. Click on it and this will be where you set up your calendar availability requirements. In the Name section, give your calendar a name. You can give this calendar any name as a reference point for you to know what the calendar is created for. Next, set the date when the calendar should start. You can then select either rolling 6 months or fixed end date where you can change the calendar manually. In this example, I'm saving it as rolling 6 months. Next, set up the available time slots in which your product is available. For example, you can set 8 a.m. slot and 10 a.m. slot. Click on Add for the slot to appear below. Once it is added, click on the checkbox to select which day the time slots are applicable. In each of the days, if you leave the box field as default, the capacity for each time slot will be infinite. However, if you like to limit the capacity, you should input the number of slots available per time slot. For example, I'm putting 10 slots available for the tour on 8 a.m. on Saturday and Sunday. Click Save once you have set up the calendar and the page will bring you back to the calendar listing. Now click on Products at the left side menu to go back to the ticket type. Go to the product that you want and select Manage Product and then Ticket. Then go to the required ticket type to click on the blue arrow icon at the right side of the ticket box. Click on Manage Ticket and Edit. Scroll down to the section that is called Schedule/Capacity. The calendar you have created will show in the drop-down list here. Select the correct calendar to link to this ticket type and proceed to save. You have completed the ticket setup. Now go back to the calendar setup to review and make changes. Click on Products on the right menu. Select Manage Product and click Schedule. Click on Manage Product. You will see a list of features to manage the calendar setup. With Calendar View, you will be able to preview the calendar that was set up. Click on an available date. The time slots for the day will be listed with the availability of each slot, together with the breakdown of slots that are reserved and slots that are still available. You may click on the Edit button to amend the available capacity for each day manually. You can change the availability to 0 if you want to close off a specific date due to special event. Click on the cross at the top right of the pop-up to go back to the main calendar listing page. To have an overall view of dates that has been blocked off with 0, you may click back on Manage Product and click on Show Blocked Time Slots. This will show you the list of blocked off dates that you have amended the availability to 0. The next feature is Email Reminder. Tick the box Remind customers for their upcoming events, then select how many days in advance you want to remind customer of their visit that is coming up. To review the email sent to customer, click on View Default Email Template. EMP or SMP Seats feature is only for seat management of a specially designed floor plan of the venue. Please speak to your account manager in GlobalTix if you want to use this feature for your product. Edit Schedule brings you back to the page to edit your overall schedule in the whole calendar setup. Once the edits are done, proceed to save and you will be brought back to the main page. Moving on to the next feature, Edit Occurrence allows you to edit the calendar capacity for a certain period of time. This feature is usually used if you do not want to amend capacity day by day manually in the calendar view. To add ad hoc events, you can open a special slot anytime within the calendar days. Just select date and tick on the checkbox for the time slot for the day's availability. Last of all, the settings are for API-related setup. Please contact your account manager if you will like to enable API to your own existing system, and we will work with you on the API collaboration. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next tutorial.